In this tutorial, I'll show you the after landing procedure, then the engine shutdown, and finally the securing the aircraft. So let's get started. After clearing the runway, we turn the switch from the landing to taxi lights, strobe lights switch to off, transponder selector to standby, flaps select to up. Now I'm turning to my parking spot. After I have stopped my aircraft, I apply the park brake. APU generator selector to on, AC meter selector to APU generator position, and we check our voltage and frequency are in the green bands. Engines shut down using your right click on the mouse. Fasten belt switch sign to off, beacon light off, fuel pump set to off except the left inner pump which is feeding the APU, hydraulic engine 2 and 3 pumps switch to off, PTU off, and AC pump set to off, and we turn off both the generator 1 and 4. Screen heat and air data heaters switch set to off. We turn off the IRS selectors. Yaw dampers master switch off. Avionic and autopilot master switch set to off. Brake fan switch set to off. And skid and lift spoiler switch set to off. Galley switch set to shed. We turn off the packs, then the APU switch set to off. Now we can stop the APU. APU generator off. Left inner fuel pump set to off. Standby inverter and standby generator switch set to off. Battery switch set to off. Click on the pedal adjuster handle to open the QUALITYWINGS control panel. Click on the wheel chock to chock the aircraft. Click on the engine covers icon to cover the engines. And this completes the tutorial on the after landing and securing the QUALITYWINGS RG series.